welcome. This video is for 5 a day AS level mathematics day 2 where we are doing question number 6 to 10. Now coming to question number 6. So triangle ABC is given. Show that the triangle ABC is isosceles and find the exact area. So I'm going to find the distance AB, which is going to be 4 plus 2 whole square and 6 plus 1 whole square, which is going to be square root of 85. Similarly, I'm going to find it out BC, which is 6 minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square, which is also going to be square root of 85. Therefore, two sides are equal. As AB equals to BC, it is isosceles. It is isosceles triangle. Now find the area of the triangle. So what am I going to do that? I find it out. Area of a triangle. So this is A, B, C. So I will be doing it out ABC in that way. AB equals to BC. AB equals to BC. These two sides are equal. Then in that case, what am I going to do it out is I am going to draw a perpendicular. This is M is going to be the midpoint of AC. So I'm going to find it out the midpoint of AC, which is nothing but what? Minus 2 plus 6 by 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2. Minus 2 plus 6 by 2 comma minus 1 and minus 3 by 2, which is going to be 2 comma negative 2. Then I'm going to find it out the BM distance, which is square root of B. What was B? 4, 6. B was 4 comma 6 and M was 2 comma minus 2. So square root of 4 minus 2 whole square plus 6 plus 2 whole square, which is nothing but what? Square root of 68. Square root of 68. Now once I got that value, this value is going to be square root of 68. BM is nothing but what? Square root of 68. Now I want to know the area of a triangle. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is going to be half times base times height. So what is the base? Base is AC. So I need to calculate the value of AC also. AC is going to be square root of minus 2 minus 1 and 6 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 and 6 minus 3. So it will be 6 plus 2 whole square plus minus 3 plus 1 whole square, which is nothing but what? 8, and again it is also going to be 68. So the high base is also square root 68, height is also square root 68. So it is going to be nothing but what? 34. That is the answer. Point D is on AB such that CD is perpendicular point D. CD is perpendicular to AB. Find the x coordinates of D. So CD, so point D, which is that CD is perpendicular to AB. So for that, what should I be doing? So let me draw the diagram again. This is B, A, C. Now C to D I am drawing such that it is perpendicular. And ABC. A is minus 2 minus 1, 4, 6, 6 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 and 4, 6, 6 minus 3. 4, 6 and 6 negative 3. So I'm going to find it out. Gradient of AB. Gradient of AB is going to be 1 plus 3 divided by minus 2 minus 6, which is 4 upon negative AB. 1 plus 3 divided by minus 2 minus 6. A is minus 2 minus 1. A is, let me make a correction over here. A is negative 2, negative 1. A was negative 2, negative 1. So gradient of AB will be negative 1 y2 minus y1. Negative 2, negative 1, 4, 6. So we have swapped the coordinates. Let us start once again fresh. The coordinates of A are negative 2, negative 1, 4, 6. Negative 2, negative 1. This is going to be 4, 6. And C is going to be 6, negative 3. So I'm going to find gradient of AB. Negative 1, negative 6 divided by negative 2, negative 4, which is 7 upon 6. So equation of AB. Equation of AB will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So this is 6y plus 6 equals to 7x plus 14. So I'll be getting 7x minus 6y plus equals to negative 8, or else plus 8 equals to 0. Next one is perpendicular one for CD. So gradient of CD is going to be nothing but what? Minus 6 by 7. Now equation of CD. Equation of CD will be y minus y1 equals to minus 6 by 7 times x minus x1. So 7y plus 21 equals to minus 6x plus 36. So 6x plus 7y, 6x plus 7y minus 15 equals to 0. Now we need to solve these two equations. 7x minus 6y plus 8 equals to 0. 6x plus 7y minus 15 equals to 0. Now multiply this equation with 7 and multiply this equation with 6. So what I will be getting it out, 49x minus 42y plus 56 equals to 0. 36x plus 42y minus 90 equals to 0. 42y will be getting cancelled. So this is 85x minus 44. 44 equals to 0. 34. 34 equals to 0. So x equals to 34 upon 85. X equals to 34 upon 85, which is 2 upon 5. That is the x coordinate of. Is he asking x coordinate and y coordinate? He's just only asking the x coordinate, which is 2 upon 5. Coming to question number 7. C is the midpoint of the line A and B, and the line through C is perpendicular to AB, crosses x-axis. So first of all, I'll find the midpoint. Midpoint is going to be y2 minus plus y x1 plus x2 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2, which is going to be nothing but how much? 4 comma negative 2. Now gradient of AB. Gradient of AB is 3 plus 7 divided by minus 6 minus 14. 10 divided by minus 20, which is negative 1 by 2. So gradient of CD will be going to be 2. So equation of CD. Equation of CD is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y equals to 2x minus 10. Then a line, this passes through y-axis. This is the equation of CD. Then find the distance AD. So I have to find it out the distance between AD. So first of all, it passes through which axis? Which axis? Y-axis. Y-axis. Y-axis means x equals to 0. So y equals to minus 10. So the point is 0 comma negative 10. And point A. What was A? 14 comma negative 7. A was 14 comma negative 7. So distance between AD will be square root of 14 square plus minus 7 plus 10 whole square, which is going to be square root of 205, which is 14.3. Question number 8. The line x by a plus y by b equals to 1, where a and b are positive constants, intersects x-axis and y-axis at point A and B. The midpoint of AB lies on this line and the distance between AB is 10. Find the values of A and B. So, x by A plus y by B equals to 1. It intersects x-axis. X-axis means y equals to 0. So, x by A equals to 1, x equals to A. So, the point is A comma 0. That it intersects y-axis. Y-axis means x equals to 0. Y by b equals to 1, y equals to b, so 0 comma b. Now the area is going, the midpoint lies on this one and AB equals to 10. So first of all, I am going to find the midpoint. Midpoint is a plus 0 by 2 comma 0 plus b by 2, which is a upon 2 comma b upon 2. So it lies on the line 2x plus y equals to 10. So 2 times a upon 2 plus b upon 2 equals to 10. So a plus b upon 2 equals to 10. Then what is he told? Distance AB equals to 10. So a to b distance, square root of a minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus b whole square equals to 10. So a square plus b square equals to 100. So from here I'll try to make it as 2a plus b equals to 20. So b equals to 20 minus 2a. So I'll plug in it out over there. A square plus 20 minus 2a whole square equals to 100. So a square plus 400 minus 80a plus 4a square equals to 100. So 5a square minus 80a plus 300 equals to 0. So a square minus 16a plus 60 equals to 0. A square, then we have to factorize it out. A minus 10 times a minus 6 equals to 0. Then add a page over there. So I'll be getting a equals to 10 and a equals to 6. But we know that b equals to 20 minus 2a. So in this case, b will be equals to 0 and b equals to 8. So the only answer is a equals to 6 and b equals to 8. And this is rejected. B cannot be equals to 0. Question number 9. 3 points ABC are such that B is the midpoint of AC. The coordinates of A are 2, m and the coordinates of B are, find the coordinates of C. So AB 2 plus n upon 2, B is the midpoint. So let's draw the diagram. A, C and B. A is 2, m and B is n, negative 6 and C x, y. So 2 plus x by 2 should be equals to n. So 2 plus x equals to 2n. X equals to 2n minus 2. Similarly, m plus y by 2 equals to minus 6. M plus y equals to negative 12. Y equals to negative 12, negative m. The line y equals to x plus 1 passes through C and perpendicular to AB. Find the values of m and n. Passes through C and perpendicular to AB. So this is y equals to x plus 1. So C lies on this one, this line. So minus 12m minus 12 minus m should be equals to x plus 1, 2n minus 2 plus 1. So what do I get it out? 2n plus m. This is minus 1 plus 11. Plus 11 equals to 0. This is one equation. I got one equation. Next time we finding it out. Gradient of AB. Gradient of AB is m plus 6 divided by 2 minus n. Whereas gradient of the line L is equals to 1. Now because they are perpendicular, m plus 6 times 2 minus n times 1 should be equals to negative 1. So m plus 6 equals to negative 2 plus n. So it becomes n minus m minus 8 equals to 0. So I get two equations. I have to solve these two equations. What are those two equations I got it? I got those two equations as n minus m minus 8 equals to 0. 2n plus m plus 11 equals to 0. 2n plus m plus 11 equals to 0. So add these two equations. M and m gets cancelled. 3n plus 3 equals to 0. Then n equals to negative 1. Plug in n equals to negative 1 in any one of the equation. Negative 1, negative m, negative 8 equals to 0. So m equals to negative 9. That is going to be the answer. Finally, question number 10. A point A has coordinates minus 2, 6. Equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB is this one. Find the equation of AB. So 2y equals to 3x plus 5. So y equals to 1.5x plus 2.5. So gradient of line AB is 1.5, which is 3 by 2. So perpendicular gradient is going to be nothing but what? 2 by 3. So this was the perpendicular gradient. This was the perpendicular gradient, and AB's gradient is 2 by 3. A is minus 2, 6. So the equation will be y minus y1 equals to minus 2 by 3 times x minus of x1. So it becomes 3y minus 18 equals to minus 2x minus 4. 2x plus 3y minus 14 equals to 0. Find the coordinates of B. Now equation of the line was 2x plus 3y minus 14 equals to 0. Equation of the perpendicular bisector is 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Do the simultaneous equations, multiply this one with 2 and multiply this one with 3. So what I will be getting it out, I will be getting 4x plus 6y minus 28 equals to 0. 9x minus 6y plus 15 equals to 0. Then 6y gets cancels. 13x minus 13 equals to 0. So x equals to 1. Plug in x equals to 1. 2 times 1 plus 3y minus 14 equals to 0. 3y equals to 12. Y equals to 4. So what's going to be the midpoint? The midpoint is 1, 4. This was a line A to B. Now this was a perpendicular bisector. The midpoint is 1, 4 and point A is minus 2, 6. Negative 2, 6. What's going to be the value of x, y? So minus 2 plus x by 2 should be equals to 1. Minus 2 plus x equals to 2. X equals to 4. 6 plus y by 2 equals to 4. 6 plus y equals to 8. Y equals to 2. So what is B coordinates? 4, 2 is going to be the answer. So that completes this video. See you in the next video. Bye.